Here we are, starting our trek up to the summit of Mount Rogers. This looks like pony territory. And look what we have here. We have a pony on the top of Mount Rogers. I see a few of them, dude. Look, there's more back there too.
What's up?
Dude, it looks like a planet on Starfield or something. Well, if you boil it, right, that gets a lot of the shit out.
Yeah. I
mean, what do I know?
Outdoor Boys does it, so.
Yeah. I think we're definitely off the trail now. Lewis Fork Wilderness.
Jefferson National Forest.
Thomas Knob Shelter. Look at that. Anybody in there? Hello? Well, this is cool. Dude, this is like really cool.
Damn, this is awesome.
That's good to know this is here. Yeah. Snowy 5-mile hike to the top of Mount Rogers. This is really cool. We have to be getting there. How close do you think we are?
We got like 0.1 miles.
It's actually been fairly easy. I mean, we still got to go back down, but the hike up wasn't bad at all. This terrain's so gnarly, dude. Think this is it?
I think this is it.
Tallest mountain in Virginia. Wow. Well, made it to the top of Mount Rogers. There's not much of a view, but found this crazy thick spruce forest. Yeah, no, this is awesome. It has not stopped snowing since we started this hike. Woo! It's like getting nastier as the day goes on. Dropped my GoPro in the fucking snow. So for the past hour, I've been digging around searching for it. Thank God I found this GoPro. Dude, losing all that footage, that would have... That's just devastating. Ready for a beer. This is the spot where we ate breakfast this morning, and there's like a foot of snow sitting on top of it. Whew, and here we are, finally back at the car.